Who is this?
So it's my taxi driver.
Honka honk.
Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Swalali, aka Honey Loop Stitches. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to be continuing the part 2 of crocheting my sister's summer vacation outfits. I know I posted the part 1 a long time ago, but thank you for being patient with me. The part 2 is finally ready, and today we are going to continue making the remaining pieces of my sister's vacation outfit. Without wasting much time, hit the like and subscribe button and let's get right into it. So I'm going to start a new project, and I'm starting with the t-shirt. I have the image I want to do in head, and I've seen the pattern before, so I kind of know the pattern I'm going to use, but I haven't done a polo t-shirt before, so I think I'll have issues mostly with the collar, but don't worry, I'll probably either figure it out or find a tutorial that teaches how to make the collar perfectly how I want to make it, because I want to make it look exactly like the Pinterest image. So anyways, let's start the shirt. Okay, so I couldn't find any pattern on YouTube that actually gave me what I was looking for. Then I remembered I had a pattern book and I went there to find, and I just found one that looks exactly like what I'm going for based off of the image on Pinterest. So I was thinking I am going to use that pattern instead, to get what I'm looking for. So I'm just going to go ahead to start making my shirts. Okay, so I have finally decided on what pattern to go with for the t-shirt, and this is what it's looking like. And I'm currently just in row 4, and I'm 29 minutes in. I'm timing myself as usual. I'm 29 minutes in, so we're going to keep working on this till when it's almost time for me to go pick up my sister from the airport. Then I'll go out. So let's see how much we can do till then. Okay, so it's almost time for me to leave and go pick up my sister from the airport, and this is how far I came. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 rows. 8 rows. Guess how many hours it took me? Let me check my time. It took me 1 hour 30 minutes to make 8 rows. This is moving so slow, but at least my mesh stitch, looks straight. It's not wonky the way I don't like it. It looks very, very straight, but it's taking so much time. Like, it took me 1 hour to do this, just this. I think I'm going to take my yarn on the go with me. I might record, I'm not sure. I have to see if I can strap my phone to the car, and if it's possible to record, basically. So that's what I'm going to do, and we're going to see how much I can do within the space of time. I drive to the airport, pick my sister, and we're also thinking of going to the library to pick up some books. Okay, so basically that's it. Yeah, so bye, I'm leaving now. So I just came back home. After picking my sister, we brought to the library and I got this book. I wasn't able to crochet much because we were moving around town, and I just did basically I literally did not crochet much because, like I said, the new pattern I'm following for my grid to be kind of straight is very, very slow, and I didn't crochet much. I crocheted for like an hour, and right now the time is almost 6 o'clock. It's like 5 minutes to 6, and I'm very, very tired. I came back like around past 5. I didn't check the time, but I know it was somewhere around past 5. I ate ramen. Then I said, let me update you guys because I'm very, very tired. I feel like I can fall asleep anytime. And I wanted to update you guys about my day, what I did outside. I got my book. I crocheted a little bit. And yeah, I'm back home. Don't mind my hair. Because I wore a hat when I went out and my hair is kind of flat. Very, very tired. I'm having serious headache for some reason. So I think I'm going to go and sleep and maybe wake up later in the night to crochet some more. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's basically the update I wanted to let you guys know about. Hey everyone, I know I haven't given guys an update in a while. I was very, very busy and I was trying to make crochet patterns like tutorial, but the pattern I was trying to make kept on coming out with slight errors and the calculation was just off. So I kept on redoing it and my fingers started aching, so I kind of stopped crocheting for a while. So that's why I could not update you guys, because I wasn't crocheting my sister's project for a while. So on Friday I went back to the project, and Saturday I also kept doing my sister's project, and this is how far I've come. I've completed the front panel and the back panel. All that is left now is for me to join them and start making like the sleeves and the collar. But my yarn is finished, so today I have to go and get more yarn. And my sister also asked for one more project for her trip, and I'm also going to get yarn for that project also. I think I have to ask her what color, but today I'm basically going out to get more yarn for the t-shirt and more yarn for the next project. But I need to finish all of them before June 24th, because that's when I think she's traveling. Yeah. This and this is different shade as well, and this and this is the final one. This is cotton sprout, and this is it's cotton sprout. Very weird texture. Two and is it this blue or this blue I was just using a few minutes ago?
I don't know. But the one on the right looks
like the blue I was using yesterday. This one looks too faded. Anyway, I buy that. Guys, look at my crochet work.
Who is this?
So, it's my taxi driver.
Honka honk.
Get away from me.
In the video, they are work from work. Right, people. They'll bend it and tight on that.
That'll be me and my
go the dangle. Because, oh my goodness, they can just replace it.
But this is how far I've come with my bag. It's finally forming, and it's going to be big. I bought more yarn for the bag. I can't wait to get home. What was I saying? I can't wait to get home to show you guys the new color of yarn I got. I got one royal blue one and yellow. It's so pretty. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to do like what I'm about to do it. Yes. Anyways, I can't wait to get home, finish this project, and see how everything turns out. I feel like by the time I finish all these projects, I've spent so far, I have spent around 200 and something, going 300 with just yarns. I've not even put my workmanship.
Yanks.
I say yarns. Always be yanks. Hey guys, so I have finished the 2 orders for my sister. I finished the 2 orders out of 3 for my sister, and I'm currently doing the last one, which is the bag. I finally bought the materials that I needed to finish the bag, so I just need to like sew them on, and I'm done with the first set, and we'll be done with this part. Anyways, that's what I want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew this on so I can wrap this off. You know the way you feel once you're done with the project, that you want to see the final view of the project, but also you're kind of very tired and you just want everything to be over. That's kind of the stage I'm at right now. I am so tired. I want everything to be over, and now I'm confused. Let me see. Okay, so let's attach the magnetic buttons back. Ha! It worked! Look at it. Okay, so let me sew the inside. I'm just going to flip this inside out. And here comes the part that I dread the most. Sewing. Inside out. Girl, you turn me. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew the background and sew on the handle, and I'll meet you guys back again, okay? So guys, I just finished the crochet pieces my sister ordered for her trip, and this is what it looks like. I'm so happy it took so long to finish it because I was looking for the materials, but everything came out perfectly just the way I wanted it. And I'll see you guys. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and please keep on supporting me so I can keep making crochet videos like this. Bye.